How to add zip code to YouTube TV. Turn on your television and open the YouTube TV app. Using your remote, move to the profile section. This is usually represented by your profile photo or icon. Select your profile photo or icon to enter the account settings. Inside the account settings, look for the option labeled Current Playback Area. This setting determines your regional information. Once you've identified the current playback area, choose the Update option associated with it. This step will allow you to modify or add your zip code. Take your mobile device and open a web browser. Navigate to tv.youtube.com/verify. This is the verification website where you can update your location information. Upon reaching the verification website, a prompt may appear asking for permission to access your device's location. Grant access to ensure that your current playback area is updated accurately. That's how you can add zip code to YouTube TV.